all the way. Perfect. Yeah, let it go. You okay? We just did a massage. I haven't adjusted you since October, so I'm just going to take a look under your very beautiful dear Woody. There. Good. Perfect. See? And I like this outfit. You could take the top off, but you don't have to. So when you were lying on the table, this leg was longer, right? I said the right leg was longer. So I can tell. Then I also check up here because, and then when you're standing is different than when you're lying down. But this corroborates with what I saw when you're lying down. Your left hip is a little lower than your right. Not far off. It's just a tiny, tiny bit. Do you ever have low back pain?
All the time.
You do? How about there?
Yes.
Yes. Any of that tender?
Especially.
Yeah, and you sit a lot, right? And we already know you have tension up in here, yeah? Okay, so we're going to work on that. We're going to see how that massage did in loosening you up, okay? So mostly here, some here. How's the neck and stuff? Do you ever have headaches? You have tension, right? You feel that? Yeah. A little bit there too. Okay, so I think, yeah. Well, let's get started. You can go ahead and lie down on your stomach, please. Very good. We're having our first, is today the first cold day in Florida?
Not the first, but definitely a cold one.
Yeah. I think when I got here it was like 57 degrees. So if you're somewhere where it's 30, I'm sorry, but we're all freezing. And it's Monday, so I'm a little more casual. We were just decorating for Christmas here. There we go. How's that feel?
Good.
Do you like that up and down, or is it annoying?
Honestly, it's not affecting me.
Okay. Either way, good or bad?
Yeah.
Okay. I
feel like it's loosening me up though, like I'm less tense.
It's nice to have a couple minutes of this because I want you to feel really relaxed and right here. Wow. Or is that one of the cupping spots? There's a big, yeah, that's one of your cupping spots. Okay, so your cupping marks aren't like purple, but you did have some spots. So let me know if I hit any of those. I don't want to tenderize you. We already did that. Okay, so before we were talking about today's Cyber Monday. Tomorrow is we look at flights, right? And then you're going to plan a getaway. And without disclosing the location. You want to go see nature. You want to be safe.
Yep, on top of a mountain.
¿Tú hablas español?
Sí.
See? I don't, but I know enough to be kind of dangerous, but so maybe people could give us some ideas. But you kind of want to go lots of places. Spain, Italy, Greece. Amsterdam. There's a penis museum there.
Amsterdam?
I think so, or maybe I'm just thinking of The Office. Do you watch The Office?
Javi does.
The one where Dwight was telling some story. You can find the clip. I won't repeat it. I'm getting red. Yeah, no, I went there one time. I had a layover, so at we were coming back from a training trip or a competition and got to go out, and we didn't go into the red light district, but they had all kinds of things you can see that aren't in there. But so yeah, nobody's embarrassed over there. Good. Alrighty, let's see what we need to do. Definitely want to work on the lower back. pretty obvious.
Can you leave it on my shoes? I'm so sorry. I left them on.
It's okay. Maybe when I get to the other side. The reason I leave the shoes on sometimes is that it helps me, on some people, see a difference between the right and the left for leg length, but yours is very obvious, so I could see that without the shoes. It's okay. Forgot to tell you again. Hey, I'm gonna poke this on your butt real quick. Sorry, I should have said that before. That just sets your pelvis. So that already makes that a lot more level. Let's see if there's anything else. So if you sit, do you sit with crossed legs? Okay, good. I'm gonna have you scoot down towards your feet just a little bit. There we go. Because there's a little bit of torsion in the pelvis, so I need to do. Let me turn that down, sorry. There we go, that's better. Okay. Is that uncomfortable?
For me?
Yeah.
I'm feeling in my uterus.
That's very specific. All right. Well, affecting these nerves, right, especially through the sacrum, is important for the uterus, intestines, all of that. All of the organs in that area will get their nerve innervation from there. So, you might have been just being funny, but
No,
it's
I
for
really
real.
felt that.
Yeah. So I've had people come and get adjusted for cramps. Or have a tendency to constipation, and then with getting adjusted can help. Okay, I want you to take a nice deep breath in and let it all out. Good, let that drop, let it drop. Yep, good. There we go. Big breath. And out. Let it go, yeah, let it go all the way. Perfect. We'll see what I can get up here. Nice little stretch. Good, let that drop. Good, got a little bit there. That feel good? Are you still here? Breathe in. And out. Good, let that drop. Good. Okay, now I want you to lie on your left side. Face me.
Okay.
That
I
helps.
was like, I'm lost.
Okay, bring your butt towards the edge. Good. Bend this, hook your foot. Perfect. Okay. Nice deep breath. Good. Nice deep breath. And all the way out. Let that drop all the way back. That might have been a uterus shot too. Go the other way. You're doing good. I think you feel a little more relaxed than the first time.
Yeah.
Come towards me. There we go.
Oh, sorry.
You hit me. Good. Nice deep breath. And all the way out. Perfect. Okay, now on your back. some people like your sweatshirt because they go deer hunting.
Oh, that's so sad.
Until there's so many deer population that they run out in front of your car. That's why they have to. But yeah, I couldn't watch it. I cried when my dogs caught a rabbit. My hands are gonna slip.
Your hands smell like Christmas.
Do they?
Like mint.
Yeah, let it go. You okay? Mm-hmm. That was a lot. You almost got me. I feel a lot of tension up at the top of the spine. Good, let that go. Let it go, yes, good. Not quite as dramatic on that side, but still. Okay, I'll just check your feet, and then we'll be good. So I will take these cute things off.
Don't judge me.
No, okay. Why? That was amazing. Trust me, your no makeup day is like you don't need it. So your bad feet day, not a problem. Good, let that hip go, let it drop. Yep. Did you already crack your toes? Good. Okay. Good. Let that drop. Yeah, let it go. Yep. All right. Now you're taller on that side. Very good. All right, young lady. Let's stand up. See how everything feels. You look great. This is no makeup day. Let me just appreciate the lovely. Turn your face that way. Let me see you. Make sure you're less tender. Hold that under your armpits. Yeah, good. More level. How does it feel down here?
It doesn't hurt anymore.
How about there?
It doesn't hurt as much.
Okay, yeah. So you may, especially during specific times of the cycle, might have more blood there, so you'll be more tender there all the time, no matter what. But we're gonna have you come back, because that went really well, I think, getting loosened up.
Thank you.
And then I think next time let's look at your nutrition and stuff.
I'm down.
Maybe. Okay. Thank you. Like and subscribe.